the future just arrived, and it fits right in your hand. This is the iPhone 17 Pro. Sleeker, stronger, smarter. The iPhone 17 Pro introduces a bold new design crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and just 6.8 millimeters thin. The edges are softer. The feel, pure luxury. And that 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR display. It's not just brighter, it's alive. Colors burst, blacks are deeper, and it adapts intelligently to every touch, every scroll. Powered by the new A19 Bionic chip, this beast redefines what a phone can do. Whether you're gaming at 120 frames per second, editing 4K ProRes videos, or using AI-powered tools, performance never skips a beat. And yes, the battery lasts longer. Up to 2 days on a single charge. Fast, efficient, reliable. Meet the new Pro camera system. 48-megapixel main lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10 times periscope telephoto. Whether it's a starry sky, a close-up portrait, or a city skyline, every shot feels like a masterpiece. Even your slow-motion videos. Now in 8K, smooth, stunning, real. This isn't just a phone. It's your storyteller, your protector, your partner in every moment that matters. With enhanced Face ID, emergency satellite support, and AI-powered crash detection, iPhone 17 Pro is always watching out for you. It's not just an upgrade. It's a statement, a device built for dreamers, doers, and those who refuse to settle. Are you ready to hold the future? If you love this breakdown of the iPhone 17 Pro, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.